Yeah, welcome back children. So today we'll discuss exercise 15.5 power bit. Exercise 15.5 bit number 3. So only two problems in bit number 3. So first one, second problem will write GH into 6 is equals to CGH. Okay. Next. First problem, DE is equals to DE into 3 is equals to FDE. Yeah. So logical problems I say. For example, if I say 12 6 are, then what will do? 6 2s are 12. In the 12, the first digit will write it here. The extra digit will send it as carry. Am I right? So here also, what did you understand? Yeah. So what did you understand here? With the what digit you are multiplying with the 6. The same digit we are getting as a result. So in the 6 table, it's a possible with the 6 zeros are 0. So multiplying with 0, result also 0. 6 2s are 12. So look at end number same. And the 6 4s are 24. Same. 6 6 are 36. And 6 8s are 48. So these are the possibilities. Now look at again 6 into z, again giving z. So that is a mean while you multiplying with a h, it gives the same number and it's not forwarding any number as a carry. For example, if you take 6 2s are 12, so I should write it 2 here. Definitely I should send 1 as carry. Then what will happen? 6 into z plus 1. So again we haven't get a chance to get same number, correct? So that is the mean it's not getting anything, okay? So simple, the first one is 6 into h is equals to h. That matches with 6 zeros are 0. So therefore h value is a 0, right? So same problem. So g 0 into 6, h value already 0, 6 z, correct? So simple, 6 into g is equals to cg. So there are many possibilities to satisfy the condition. In these cases, we'll use only least number, okay? So I'll write 6 into 2 is equals to 12. Look at g place 2, yeah, g place 2, c place 1. So therefore, c is equals to 1 and g is equals to 2. Why should I go only least number? Because in the classroom, if you coming with a roll numbers wise, if you have a given not roll number wise, rank wise, if you offered something for rank 1 student, if he refuse it, the award goes to say rank 2 student. Am I right? For example, if you want to give 500 cash prize, so the first person refused it, so definitely we'll avoid that to second person. Am I right? So that here also the condition is satisfied with the 2. If 2 not, then we'll go to 4. Okay. Okay, let it. So there we got it a h value, c value, g value. Okay, let it. Same thing. Here also E is not forwarding any carry. So simple 3 into E is equals to again answer E. So the simple 3 zeros are 0. So therefore E is equals to 0. Right? Right. Next, what will write? D into 0, D0 into 3 by F D0. Simple. So 3 into D is equals to FD. So 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18, no, 7s are 21, no, 8s are 24, no, nothing. So only one chance, 3 5s are. So 3 5s are 15. Why should I taken only 15? Because look at in the D place I have taken 5. Here wherever we get a D, there also I got 5 only. So therefore, so we'll decide D value 5, the value is 1. Correct? Right, beta. Next, fourth bit, the first problem. Yeah, fourth is first problem, that is 73k divided by 8, that is equals to 9n. Okay, so logically, So 8 dividing to 73k. Okay, so 8 divisor 73k dividend. The quotient is 9l. Okay, so look at already division started. So 8 nines are 72. Correct? So 1. The next digit is k. 1k. Okay. So already 8 nines are 72. I substituted. So in the 8 table, the numbers start with a 1. Correct? So 16. If you go with the next 8, 3 is 24. So here there is only one chance, that is 16. Then the remainder is 0 because already it is a quotient. That means remainder of it 0. So if you want to get 16, so 8 2s are 16. What happened? 8 2s are, therefore L value we got it as 2 and K value replaced by 6. Got it? Logically it's worked out. Correct? Right. Next question. 1 mn by 3 is equals to mn. It is also a very logical question. 1 mn by 3 is equal to mn. In the first case, what happened? Here he has given one digit, so that I solved in the division manner. Correct? But here also there is a number letter, so we can't find. So simply what I'll write, 1 mn divides by 3, it gives answer as mn. It is the meaning of the question. Am I right? Question as it is. So 3 dividing, when it goes, multiplies. So I'll write 1 mn is equals to mn into 3. So simple question I can rewrite, that is as mn into 3, that is equals to 1 mn. As like a third bit problem. So simply what I'll write, 3 into n is equal to n. So that is nothing but 3 zeros are 0. Simple. m0 into 3 is equals to 1 m0. Already 3 table 1 sent with 5 only. Correct? Why? Because 3 5s are 50. That means we are multiplying with 5. The number is also ending with 5. Here what happened? 3 into m. Its answer is 1m. Correct? So therefore m is equals to 5. So n is equals to 0. Correct? Right? Right. So this is a logical, the way of thinking of logical. And the fifth problem is very logical problem. So what to do? So I'll send the solution with you. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, that is a question of fifth one. Yeah. So ABB into 999, that is equal to ABC 123. If I write here ABB into 999, result is ABC 123. Look at, by multiplying a certain digit, we are getting answer as 3. So in 9 table there is only one multiple, that is 63. Correct? How did you get 63? 9 7s are 63. So that means B value has 7. Become very clear. So wherever you looking B, there you can substitute 7. Okay. Simple. I write A77 into 999. Okay. Start multiplying it. 9 sevens are 63. 6 carry. 63 plus 6. 69. 6 carry. 9 into A, 9A plus 6. 9A plus 6 is a single number. Okay. Okay, one term multiplication completed. With the second 9 now. 3, same 9, same 9A plus 6. With the third 9, this one. 3, 9, 9A plus 6. I think this is a way of multiplication. Am I right? But what is the answer? Answer is 3, 2, 1, C, B. B value 7, am right? Yes, AB. Look at AB. So A7. Correct? Now let add it. 3 has it is, I'm writing. First I have written whatever the given answer. Given answer I have written as it is. Now I am going to add. Okay, 3 as it is. 9 plus 3, 12. So 1 carry. Correct? Okay, let it. 1 carry. So we should add a 9a plus 6 plus 9 plus 3. Correct? So look at here. 9a plus 6 plus 9 plus 3. Look at Nana. Multiple of 9. Okay. So multiple of 9, what I want to say. So what I want to say. Yes. So 9a. 9a is nothing but it's a multiple of 9. That means it comes in 9 table. 9. It is also comes in 9 table. So 6 plus 3. It also comes in 9 table. That means the sum of the all must comes in 9 table and it end with 1. Correct now? So simple, I can say 9 9s are 81. But what happened? We got it 1 carry. Correct? Yes. 1 is nothing but it's equals to 10. So in the sum, the value increased by 10. That's nothing but a 91. Correct? Okay. 91. Logically I am talking. Now, so therefore 9a plus 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 1, that is equals to 91. Correct? Look at 9 plus 1, 10, 13, 19. So we'll write 9a plus 19 is equals to 91. 9a is equals to 91 minus 19. So 9a is equals to nothing but 72. A is equal to 72 by 9. A is equals to 8. Correct? A is equals to only 8. But look at 9a plus 6. Am I right? So 9a plus 6. So 9 8s are directly will multiply. 9a is nothing but 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 6, 78. So wherever you look at 9a plus 6, there you can add 78. Okay. Now start. 78 plus 9, 87. 87 plus 3, 90. 90 plus 1, 91. So 1 carry, 9. I'm sorry, 1 as it is, 9 carry. 78 plus 9, 97. 97 plus 9, 106. So 6, so 10 carry. Correct? So 78 plus, 78 we'll add again. Okay, 9 9 18, 18. 96 only, sorry. Yes, 96. So 9 carry. Correct? 6 as it is. 78 plus 9, 87. Now look at the digits are matching with the C value matched with the 6, A value matched with the 8. So therefore A value 8, C value 6 and the B value 7. Okay. So it is a problem of the 5th one. Very, very, very logical problem. If you are able to understand. Okay. Thank you. Next. Yeah. Now look at beta. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Then sum of these numbers 3, 6, 10. Okay, I have given 10. Okay. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. If I ask this sum to find, it is little bit easy to. Okay, little bit. Some hard and little bit easy to do. Okay. But if I talk about 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus, I don't know, first n numbers, n is a value, either sometimes n value 900, sometimes 1000, sometimes 999 or whatever, sometimes lakh also. So in these cases, to write a numbers in ascend to adding form up to 1 lakh and adding them, it's very hard and a very stupid thing even. Okay, right? Very, very foolish step. Okay, so now we are going to find the formula. The formula for sum of first n numbers, that is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, we'll apply the formula. So here we know the answer 10, correct? Look at, compare with the n. So all numbers are arranged in sequence. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. All are sequent. The last number we'll talk it as n. So in these cases, the last number is 4. Correct? Formula n into n plus 1 by 2. N value 4 into 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Correct? 2 table, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 fives are answer 10. Even we are adding, we got it 10. Even with the formula, we got it also 10. Second case, n value 10. Look at, is there any sequence missed or not? The numbers has to start with 1. Okay, no number has skipped from the series. Okay, so n value 10. So formula n into n plus 1 by 2. N value 10 into 10 plus 1, 11 by 2 is 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 11 fives are answer 55. So sum of these all numbers 55. Even I calculated without adding. Am I right? So it is one of the formula. Okay, okay beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.